Tapescript 2.5. The Office.
Gosh, I don't know anybody. Can you help me? Who are all these people?
Well, that's Simon. He's sitting at the top of the table reading something.
He's the one with glasses wearing a jumper, right?
Yeah, that's it.
And what does he do?
He's the managing director. He's the man in charge.
The boss, in other words.
Uh-huh. He shouts a lot, but he listens as well. Then there's Edward. He's wearing a suit. He's standing up talking to Anna. Edward's the sales director. He's charming. He always has a nice word to say to everyone. Anna's standing next to him. She's drinking a coffee. She's wearing a jacket and she's got a scarf round her neck.
And Anna is the...
Anna's the accountant. Money, money, money. Very bright, very quick.
Okay. And who's that, talking on her phone?
In the white blouse and blue skirt? That's Jenny. She's the human resources manager, HR manager. She looks after all the personnel. She's a sweetheart. Everyone loves her. Then there's Matthew. He's the IT manager. He's only working here for a few months. He's from our New York office. I don't really know him very well.
He's the guy working on his laptop.
That's him, wearing a shirt, no tie. He knows everything about technology. And finally, that's Christina talking to Simon. She's his PA.
Sorry, what was that?
She's Simon's PA, personal assistant. She organises his diary, but she helps all of us, really. We couldn't cope without her. She runs the whole place, actually. She's wearing a black suit and has fabulous earrings. Very smart.
Right. I think I've got that.